Art is the expression of one feeling through creating out their imagination.
Hi, my name is Wendell Mbitug from 12 ABM Minsky, and I'm here to present my presentation.
The lesson I chose is Philippine Contemporary Art.
Contemporary art emerged in the Philippines in reaction to social and cultural realities during the 1970s, which is an era of repression and censorship of artistic expression. Philippine art became a means to oppose the regime, and the political art Sociorealism flourished at this time. Sociorealism is an art movement which sought to expose the real condition of the Filipinos, society, and use art to transform it. Progressive art developed a culture that would convey the authentic aspiration of the Filipino people.
Contemporary art as a breaking of norms.
Contemporary art can be seen as transgression of established norms and rules. Established art forms are scrumptious, and contemporary art reworks them to see them with fresh eyes. Contemporary art is ruled by the cult of the new, endeavoring to create works of art that are radical and interdisciplinary.
Contemporary art and local heritage.
Contemporary art professes an awareness of local heritage, which is something that can be passed from one generation to next, can be conserved or inherited, and has historic or cultural value. These are physical objects, place, or of heritage, and various practices of heritage unique to the region, or locality that conserve or hand down from one generation to next.
Function of contemporary art. Contemporary art for pleasure. Contemporary art as profession. Contemporary art as commentary. Contemporary art and spiritually. Contemporary art as remembrance. Contemporary art as self-expression. Again, I am Wendell Mbitug from ABM 12 Minsky, and thank you for listening to my presentation. Outro.